Hey, what's up, drivers? Jay Rich here. Today I'm going to take out these pre-filters. So this piece right here is a pre-filter that filters out the air. Your air comes out of that hole and goes into your air filter right there. And I've already done this side because I wanted to understand it, to put you a better video together, a little more self-explanatory video. And I'm going to get this out and show you. Basically, you're going to take these 7 bolts out around the perimeter. And then if it's the first time it's coming out, it's going to be like they put some kind of silicone or something around the edge. So you're going to have to knock it loose. And then there's some tabs that I'll show you that's on the inside here. You're going to have to get around behind there with your hand and just kind of jerk it loose. So I'm going to get these bolts out, come back, and we'll explain a little bit more. Alright guys, so I got it out. There's your big gaping hole you're left with. And what I use to get it out with is this driver with an 8mm. Take them 7 bolts out. I'm going to climb down here. Now, when your hood's closed, this pre-filter sits right about here, right up above your turbos. Kind of sits like right there. So it's not like a paper filter or nothing. It's got where the dirt's supposed to drain out. And I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. It looks like there's a kind of a nest up in here, a nest of dirt and shit. I'll walk around here and show you this little pile I got out. See this little pile of dirt? That's what I got out of the other one. Okay. And I'm going to take it back here and blow it out. But inside here is like a series of baffles, chambers, and here's the other side. Here's the clean side. Oh yeah, shit, there went a bunch of dirt right there. A bunch of dirt just came out of that motherfucker. So yeah, here's your clean air side. And these are some little tabs I was telling you about that kind of hold that thing in there. You just got to kind of grab on it and just yank it right out. But yeah, there's just a series of pathways in there. So it's not really per se a serviceable filter, but I guess it wouldn't hurt to get it cleaned out. And like I said, it sits up here in this area when your hood's closed, so you can't really get to it to be able to knock this dirt out. And once the hood's up, you see like on that side, everything's down here at the corner, so it's not going to come out with the hood up. So I couldn't find any information on cleaning these, on what they, not necessarily what they do. I know what they do. They clean the air, get the big stuff out before it goes into your main air filter up in there. You know, but this motor's got only a few miles on it. It's like 65,000, 70,000, something like that. But the fuel mileage isn't all that great. I know it ain't totally broke in yet, but yeah. And also while I'm here, I might as well, I'm gonna this is your cabin filter for the Kenworth. You're just gonna push that over like so, and then this will pull out. Doesn't look like this damn thing has ever been changed. This damn filthy, yeah, I leak it. So yeah, I'm gonna yeah, this is your cabin filter, what circulates the air going in when you turn your air conditioner on and stuff like that. I'm gonna try to blow that out. On my next service I'll get that changed, but I'm gonna get that blown out too. But yeah, you saw that plate, it's got an arrow on it, so you just put it back in reverse and then snap it, it'll snap in. So you see how that goes. Yeah, I'm gonna blow this out, see what kind of dirt we get out of it. We'll be back. Hang on. Alright guys, so I'm over here in the shade, as you can see, because this damn late June in Georgia, and it's hotter than damn donut grease out here in the son of a bitch. So I'm over here in the shade, and what I'm basically doing is just taking my air supply. You can use this. You get the air supply off your Glad Hands or whatever. I'm using off my house, but you know, just come in here and just damn you get the idea. I'm just damn trying to blow some of that dirt out. Maybe some of it will come down here to the bottom and come out. You know, but so that's really what you're doing. I'm just blowing it out, and I say I wanted to do this because I couldn't find any information on it. I didn't know what kind of filter system was in this. If it was a paper filter or just something like this, that's really non-serviceable. But hopefully this will help you understand and me understand. I don't know that I'm necessarily going to get any fuel mileage out of doing this. I don't think it's like that really clogged up or anything. I don't, because all your dirt's supposed to go down here in the bottom. But so now you know, now I know, and yeah, that's basically it. So I'm going to continue blowing this out, button it back up. I think y'all kind of get the gist of that. So thanks for watching. Alright guys, I'm back, and I thought about this for a little bit after taking these filters out and cleaning them, which is not a bad thing. It helps me to understand how they work, helps you to understand how they work. But see on the bottom, it's got this little drain right here. I'm going to come over here and use this one for reference on the bottom of the air box. I believe instead of taking those out of the hood, which you probably do every 50,000 miles or so, maybe just take a shop vac and hook the hose up around the bottom and just suck all that extra loose dirt and whatever else may be in there, instead of taking these things out of the hood, because it is time consuming and they're not really serviceable. So I figure that's probably how you could service it. So I appreciate you guys watching once again. I hope this helps answer any questions you had about the Kenworth pre-filters. So y'all be safe. We'll see you.